Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we have something truly exceptional to talk about: Pamako Ultra Premium Monovarietal Mountain Organic Olive Oil. If you're a fan of high-quality olive oil, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this olive oil so special, from its health benefits to its impeccable taste. Let's get started. To kick things off, let's talk about why Pamako olive oil is regarded as the best extra virgin olive oil on the market today. Pamako olive oil is not just any olive oil. It's an organic, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil from Greece. What sets it apart are its incredibly high phenolic levels, specifically 2090 mg per kilogram total phenols. These phenols include oleocanthal and olecin, natural compounds known for their remarkable health benefits. Showcase the Pamako olive oil bottle. Highlight the high phenolic levels on the label. Research has shown that these phenolic compounds possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anticarcinogenic, cardioprotective, and neuroprotective properties. Display a graphic highlighting the health benefits. Show images of the olive groves in Greece where Pamako olive oil is produced. This means that daily consumption of just 20 grams of Pamako can protect your blood lipids from oxidative stress, which is a fantastic health benefit. Now, let's move on to the taste test. Pamako Ultra Premium Olive Oil is not only good for your health, but it also excels in the flavor department. Show the host pouring a small amount of Pamako olive oil into a spoon. Host takes a sip and describes the taste. It has a fresh, fruity aroma that's simply delightful. The flavor is rich, robust, and truly authentic. Whether you use it for cooking, drizzling on salads, or dipping bread, Pamako enhances every dish it touches. As you can see, customers love the taste and quality of Pamako olive oil. It consistently receives high ratings and positive feedback. In conclusion, Pamako Ultra Premium Monovarietal Mountain Organic Olive Oil is, without a doubt, the best extra virgin olive oil available in the market. Its exceptional health benefits and outstanding flavor make it a must-have in your kitchen. That's it for today's product review on Pamako olive oil. If you want to experience the goodness of this olive oil for yourself, you can find it on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and remember to subscribe for more reviews of exceptional products like this one. See you in the next video.